The Lockheed X-7, also known as the Flying Stovepipe, was an American experimental unmanned aircraft developed in the late 1940s and flown throughout the 1950s. Designed as a testbed for ramjet engines, missile guidance systems, and high-speed flight technologies, it laid the foundation for future aerospace advancements, including the Lockheed AQM-60 Kingfisher and Lockheed D-21 drone. Initial development began in December 1946 under the United States Air Force Project MX-883, with Lockheed assigning it the internal code L1171. The first prototype, designated PTVA-1, received the official X-7 designation in 1951. Though the first flight failed, the project quickly progressed, with 130 test flights conducted between April 1951 and July 1960. Constructed from stainless steel and nickel alloys, the X-7 was to endure the extreme heating effects of hypersonic flight, surpassing speeds of Mach 4.3, over 4,680 kilometers per hour or 2,910 miles per hour. It was launched mid-air from B-29 or B-50 bombers and recovered via a multi-stage parachute system, which allowed the aircraft to descend nose first and remain upright for reuse. Besides engine and guidance testing, the X-7 played a crucial role in air defense evaluation. It was used to test the effectiveness of United States surface-to-air missile systems, such as the Nike Ajax, Nike Hercules, and Bomark. The X-7 often outperformed these missiles, exposing their limitations and causing considerable concern within the defense community. This performance, ironically, contributed to the project's eventual cancellation in the mid-1960s due to political and military embarrassment. In 1954, a redesigned version, the X-7A3, was introduced with altered wing geometry and solid rocket boosters for improved performance. Unlike its titanium-based successors, such as the A-12 and YF-12, the X-7's steel construction reflects the technological limitations of its time, prior to the widespread use of titanium in aerospace. Despite its experimental nature, the X-7 significantly advanced knowledge in high-speed aerodynamics, thermodynamics, communication systems, and booster technologies. Only a few units survive today, including one preserved at the Aviation Unmanned Vehicle Museum in Caddo Mills, Texas. Though it never became an operational weapon, the Lockheed X-7 remains a landmark in aerospace experimentation and unmanned flight history.